DJI might have just killed every single competitor in the budget category overnight. This isn't clickbait. This isn't a rumor. This is everything we know right now. The leaked specs, the hidden features, the price that makes no sense, and the one secret DJI is terrified will leak before launch. Stay until the end because the final leak will make your jaw drop. Let's start with the name DJI Neo 2. Yes, the sequel to the tiny 135-gram King that shocked the world last year. But this time DJI didn't just upgrade it. They rebuilt it from the ground up like they had something to prove. First leak that sent the drone community into chaos. 1-inch sensor. Yes, you heard that right. A full 1-inch CMOS sensor squeezed into a drone that still weighs under 250 grams. That's the same sensor size as the Mini 3 Pro, but now in something you can literally throw in your pocket and fly without registration in most countries. 4K 120 frames per second slow motion, 48 megapixel stills, 12 stops of dynamic range. This thing is going to murder sunsets. But here's where it gets insane. The new leak shows it has dual native ISO just like high-end cinema cameras. That means night footage that actually looks clean. No more grainy mess when you fly after dark. People who tested pre-production units are saying low-light performance beats the Avata 2. Let that sink in. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, obstacle avoidance. The original Neo had 0 sensors. You crashed, you cried, you bought another one. The Neo 2? Full 360-degree omnidirectional avoidance with APAS 6.0. Leaked internal slides show it can thread between tree branches at 40 miles per hour in sport mode without even slowing down. One tester flew it through a forest at night and walked away without a scratch. Flight time? Hold on to something. 48 minutes. 48 minutes. That's longer than the Mavic 3 Classic. They achieved this with a complete battery redesign, higher density cells, and a new propeller system that's 30% more efficient. DJI literally rewrote the laws of physics for a sub-250G drone. But the feature that made me almost fall out of my chair, ActiveTrack 360 with subject prediction. It doesn't just follow you anymore. Predicts where you're going to move before you move. Mountain biking? It knows you're about to jump and prepositions itself for the shot. Surfing? It anticipates the wave and orbits at the perfect angle. One leaked video shows it following a downhill skier through trees while maintaining perfect cinematic framing the entire run. The drone looks possessed. Now here's something nobody is talking about yet. 04 Plus transmission. 100-meter altitude limit? Gone. The Neo 2 gets the same 20-kilometer range as the Mini 4 Pro, but with a new low-latency mode that drops to 8 milliseconds. Professional FPV pilots who got early units are saying the feed is so clean they're using the Neo 2 as a chase drone for cinematic shoots. Price leak? This is where it gets dangerous. Internal pricing documents show$449 for the standard combo. $449. That includes 3 batteries, the new RC N3 controller with built-in screen, and the new 2-way charging hub. For comparison, the Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo is $959 right now. DJI is not playing fair. But wait, there's a second version. The leaked roadmap shows a Neo 2 Pro coming 3 months after launch. 1.3-inch sensor, mechanical shutter, 10-bit D-Log-M, and this is unconfirmed but multiple sources swear it's real interchangeable lenses. Yes, you heard that correctly. Magnetic lenses you can swap in seconds. Wide angle, telephoto, macro, all under 250 grams. Let me paint a picture for you. You're hiking in Yosemite. You pull this tiny cube out of your pocket. It unfolds itself, takes off from your hand, flies 5 kilometers away, shoots 4K 120 RAW video with a 1-inch sensor, avoids every tree on the way back, and lands exactly where it started, all for less than the price of an iPhone. Here's what DJI is scared of. Autel just delayed their Evo Nano Plus successor. Potensic canceled their Atom 2 Pro. Hover and Fimi have gone